welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we spill, sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. As you see by the title, we're going to be talking about some layering or combinations, suggestions that I have, that I've been trying out, that I have loved, and one I have been obsessed with, okay? But we're going to get right into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. So first combination I have to talk about, oh my goodness, I have received so many compliments, and it has just like made me wear it even more, okay? Again, I am not your like signature scent girly, right? I love to dabble and I have a large collection, so that is why I do my tray. But I love to dabble and dip in all the things, right? I love to change up my fragrance, and I have been stuck, okay? I have received overwhelming compliments with this, okay? My coworker, she told me, she was like, girl, I just want to pin you up on the wall.
Girl, you look so good, somebody ought to put you on a plate and sop you up with a biscuit.
And she's extra like me. Actually, you might not think that there's people that exist in the world that are more extra than me, but actually she's more extra than me. She is. And no shade on New York, but she is from New York, so she even has the accent with it. It's hilarious. It's hilarious. But one day I'll have to invite her to my channel. Anyway, but she's like, girl, I need to pin you up on the wall because every time you come in here, you just smell so good. And every time I just want to walk by. And so you could just be right there and I could just walk back and forth and then I could just do my work. I was like, okay. I took it as a compliment, but it was a little aggressive.
Don't fight. Let it happen.
But no, I have been wearing down. And if you saw any of my previous videos, you know I haven't worn this fragrance, right? That's why I do my tray. I pulled it out, okay? I pulled it out and it was at like full, basically. Almost, just about full. Look where it is now. Yeah, y'all remember, the obsession is real. Look at this. I started out, no lie, up like here. Hello? And this was just last month? Hello? Who is she? Because y'all know I'll be doing didn't and nothing. Who is she? Okay. So cute. But look at this. Okay, so this is YSL. This is Mon Paris. This is the Eau de Parfum, okay? I have been layering and combining this fragrance with Tintiana Terenzi Kirke. Yeah. Okay, so if you have these two, okay, this is your lethal weapon, okay, of mass compliments. Okay, every time I've worn this, any setting, I don't care where I've gone. I was in Walmart, okay? Oh, girl. Okay. I was in Walmart, and the ex-husband, and I was dropping off my child. It was the thing, okay? You all know. Single parents out there, we know. It was a dropping off the child thing. Met him up in Walmart. Anyway. But in Walmart, so I was searching for a baby gift. I had a baby shower to go to that day, so I was shopping for a gift. In Walmart, I passed wherever I was, but I passed the place in Walmart. And my ex-husband, he yells out my name. He's like, Amber. And I'm like, what? Girl, you know. What? So I come back, and it's this lady. And she's like, oh my goodness, you smell amazing. I smelled you all the way over here. Like, what are you wearing? I have to know. And I was like, oh my goodness, like, caught me off guard. Well, it really should, because again, this is compliment city, okay, combination. But I came back and I'm like, okay. But because I had another compliment previously from one of my best friend girlies that work in the office. She complimented me and she was like, girl, I need it. Okay. She said, you always smell good, but I need it. So I took a picture of it for her so I could send it to her on what the fragrances were. So with that said, since I had the picture in my phone, I was able to show the lady in Walmart what the fragrances are, because when I mentioned the name, she didn't know what it was.
Okay.
She wasn't a part of this community. She don't know me. But she certainly didn't know Mon Paris. She didn't know any of that. She just was like, where do I get that? And so I was, talking to her about it. But showed her a picture. Anyway, lethal. All that to say, lethal obsessed. I don't even know how far I am in this. This should tell you something. This I have been rocking and rolling with and wearing, and it is so good. Okay, this is like your strawberry and sweet and pear and all the things and vanilla, right? This is like your passion fruit and you know how Tiziana Terenzi do, right? She be showing up. She be like, here, I'm here. And so this together, I was a fruity dream. I would have to say, like, I was doing the thing. Okay? So absolutely a must. If you have them in your collection, pull them out. If you don't have them into your collection, I'm sure you can get a sample of this because it's a little pricey. Ain't gonna lie. This is a little pricey, but I'm sure you can get a sample, or if you want to get it, go ahead and get it, right? I would highly suggest, but I love it. So if we're like fragrance twins, you would love this. And then this one, you can find this in like Sephora. I think Ulta might have it, but either way, a lot of your like kind of general like JCPenney's and all that, if JCPenney's is still open, I don't know, like Dillard's and things like that, they would have this. So hook yourself up, smell it, see if you would vibe with it. I mean, them by itself is good, but combined together, A1 plus, okay? Moving on. Next up, another dream. I've briefly talked about this on my channel, but just wanted to show you Blanche Bette, okay? Liquids Imaginaires, yes. Down, like this by itself, I love it. Like, I love the creaminess in it, the milkiness, if you all want to call it that, like just the goodness of the vanilla-ness and the, I love this, okay? Love it. But Fleur, heavy cream, you put these two together, oh baby, you like a lemon pound creamy goodness cake or something. Like, it is so good. I love this together. I love this separate, but together, amazing. You want to get it. So if you have this in your collection, pull it out, try it. If you don't, if you were thinking about getting this, you were like, I don't know, I got the small bottle. Get it. Like, I think this was like $24 or something like that. And it has like lemon sugar, marshmallow in this. We got coconut cream. Yes, sis. Get this. Because even if you don't have this and you can't pair this together, she sure gonna hook you up. On your easy breezy day, she sure gonna hook you up by yourself. And hello, it was like 64 degrees. It was windy. I was so feeling it. I was like, fall, yes, fall, yes. Y'all know me. I'm excited about fall. But combining this together, hands down, amazing. Like, ooh, I can't wait. That breeze come. And that's what I like about the fall. The fall compliments you not only in boot season, but the breeze. And you know what I love about the breeze? And it makes your fragrance just like, shh, and pass noses. And you get more compliments in the fall. Have you ever noticed that? You just get more compliments in the fall, to me, in my opinion, my experience. But I loving it. Ooh, I love fall season. So, can you tell? That is an amazing combination. Highly would suggest you get both. If you can, sis, get them. Moving on. Next up, a more recent combination that I tried. And it's from my tray. And when I say, I was like, oh, I have to bring this to the channel because it works. Works hands down. Okay, this alone. Astor Place from Bond number 9. Look at the bottom. We've talked about this. We just talked about this. It's amazing. But the smell, oh baby, citrus. Now, if you're not a citrus person like me, I don't like the citrus all the time. No. We don't see eye to eye all the time. But this one, oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is a good citrus. Oh my girl, yes, sis. This is a good one. But I combined this and I layered it with them, okay? And this is the Zara Weekend. Now, they always have like different them on Zara. They always have like the flankers almost, just about like. But if you can find this, great. If you can't, I would just think like femme in general. Oh, I don't want to say that because it might be a little bit different. Anyway, I'm going to stick with Femme Weekend because I haven't tried all of the other like ones. Okay, so we'll stick with this one. Works well. So if you have this, beautiful. This together is like a citrus dream. And it lasts and it lingers. And to me, it also gives like this slight powderiness, but not like that turns you off. Not like cheap powder, but just like this clean. Oh, yes, clean powder. Oh, I got so many compliments. This is amazing. Like I'm gonna wear, and this is on my tray, so I still have time, I'm gonna wear this down. Oh, it's so good. Oh, sis, like again, if you like a citrus, a little fresh powder, vanilla, like all those type of things. Oh, it is so good. Oh, I think it even has it has to have like orange, and sweet notes in this. It has to. This is so good. It is amazing. By themselves, like they're separate, they're good. But together, oh my goodness, like that's going to be probably my new addiction for this season, for this month, because that has worked, okay? And people that normally don't compliment me have even said something about this and me smelling good. So, you know the people that, they try not to give you no compliment, and they know you smell good, but they be like, yeah, them people. You know who they are. Put their name, just say their names out loud. You know who they are. They be hating. It's okay. But even them, they gonna compliment you too. They gonna find something nice to say for that day. Cause this makes you happy and bright. And that's why I had the happy tray. This just brightens up everybody. They just, yeah, she good. Moving on. And last but certainly not least, if you want to smell like a good baccarat marshmallow strawberry creme, oh my goodness, look no further. Okay, this is House of Sillage Minnie Mouse. Okay, top down, love it, love her life. All the time, love her life, right? Then we run over to Target, okay? Target. And we get Finery, and this is the new Rouge, okay? This together, this again gives you like Ariana Cloud, like the intense version, but still like a little baccarat vibe. And if you like a good marshmallow and strawberry, and this combined together, sis. Sis, get your life, okay? So if you have this and you don't have this, I don't understand why not, but we're going to change that. We're going to change that because Target has this, and this is at a reasonable price. I want to say I didn't pay any more than like $30, like $32, maybe like that. I can't remember the exact price, but Very reasonable comparison too, right? This is gonna, like, sometimes they have deals, so this is gonna cost you in your late ones, like $150 to sometimes, in that price range, right? I think at regular price maybe it's $4-ish or $3, but sometimes they have deals like $150 to something in that range. So this is a little bit more on the pricier side, all that to say. But this one, so if you do have this one, get this. But if you have this, honey, plan to get this, okay? On a deal.
And for the price of on the house.
Right? We love deals around here. Okay, so wait for them to alert you on the deal, because they always have they always have good deals, like 40% off. Like, I even want to say one time I've seen this at 50% off, right? Like, they have really good deals on this, and they have a new Minnie Mouse cupcake. It's like a green, I think it's like a friend something cupcake. It's a really pretty green. Will I be getting that? I think I'm going to add that to my Christmas list. It's a part of that 61,000. Those that know. But I think I'm gonna add that to my Christmas list, because I do have like the purple Minnie Mouse one that they brought up, and so it seems like I'm kind of collecting them, and so it's like I need a new one, right? I have that one, I have this one, so I need the new one, right? So keep on the trend. Hello. So I think I'm gonna get that. We'll see what happens. But they do have a new Minnie Mouse. So if all that to say, if you have tried it, because it's out. So if you have it, you've tried it, you have some thoughts, comment down below. Let your sister know. Hook me up. I'm nosy. So let me know the tea. Is it good? Is it not good? Because if it's not good, will I still get it? I might have to ponder, think, but I might still get it. I don't know. Because sometimes when I like something, I'm really like involved with, it seems like I'm really involved with this, the Minnie Mouse collections of it all. Sometimes I just have to like learn from myself and be like, man, it was really bad, you can't always learn from everybody else's experience. You just gotta learn for yourself. Whew. And then if it don't work for your experience, then you know from there. But then sometimes it's too late. Okay, that was a word. Anyway, that is all. That are all my suggestions, my combination suggestions. What have you been rocking? I know you've been layering, okay? Because when the people ask you, what you got on, you like, I got on, the body spray with the creme, and then I put on the perfume, and then the pants, and then the perfume, and then the extracted version, and then I put on the perfume, and then the pants, and then the perfume, and then the extracted version, and then I put on the perfume, and then the pants, and then the perfume, and then the extracted version, and then I combined with citrus. Yeah, I know you be doing layering combinations like that. Take a picture. When you out and about and somebody asks you what you got on, instead of saying, that's a good question, just take a picture. Take a picture of your sense. If that is like your thing, right? People always ask you, or you smell really good today. Just take a picture. Just be prepared, just in case. Take a picture of it, and then you got a reference, right? So people don't think like you gatekeeping. You think you that, because sometimes you do forget. It's facts. It's life. But that way, you got a reference in your phone. And you can't go nowhere nowadays, right? Without your phone. So you gonna always have your reference. I got you. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.